Good morning, children. Here I am with another class of chapter number 4, Pronouns. In the last class, we learnt what are pronouns. Is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. It, I, you, they, we, she, he, me, us, him, her, we, them. All these are pronouns. They take place of a noun. Pronouns are of two kinds, singular pronoun and plural pronoun. Today we will learn about singular pronouns. They take place of singular nouns. Okay, the singular pronouns are I, it, he, his, him, she, her, me. So these pronouns are called singular pronouns because they take place of singular nouns. Let us see examples for them. Pronoun I. I like to draw. It talks about one person, so it is called singular pronoun. Pronoun me. Rohan gave a drawing book to me. Again, it talks about a single person. Pronoun she. She is going to school. When we talk about a girl or a female, we use she. Pronoun her. Her name is Anna. Her also we use for female. Pronoun he. He drinks a glass of milk every day. Pronoun he is used for male. Pronoun him. The doctor gave him medicine. Him is also used for male. Pronoun his. This is his house. Again, his is used for a male person or male. Pronoun it. It is used for things or animals. It is also a singular pronoun. Mom bought a cake. It was delicious. Pronoun you is used both for singular noun and plural noun. Today we will learn how it is used for singular noun. You want to read this book? In mind, a singular pronoun takes the place of a singular noun. For example, Ria lives in Mumbai. She lives in Mumbai. The flower is red. It is red. In the first example, Ria, which is one, is replaced by she, and in second example, the flower is again talking about one flower. It is replaced by it. Then a plural pronoun is used in place of plural nouns. For example, father put biscuits on a plate. Father put them on a plate. We are talking about biscuits. More than one, so we use pronoun them. Sadia and I are friends. We are friends. When you talk about a person and yourself, you always use pronoun we. So today, children, we learnt about singular pronouns. Now it's time to do some work in the textbook. I hope you are ready with your textbook. So open page number 17. We will be doing exercise A, B, C and D on page number 17 and 18. Exercise A on page number 17. Match the nouns in column A with the correct pronouns in column B. Now children, on the right hand side, the pronouns are given, and on the left hand side, all the nouns are given. You have to match the nouns with the pronouns. So first of all, what you will do, you will draw sleeping lines like this. Okay. First, draw lines like this, and then when we match, we will write numbers. Number 1, Rahul. For Rahul, which pronoun we will use? He. So, in front of he, write number 1. Number 2, Mani and Akil. We are talking about two people. So, which pronoun we will use? They. Number 3, my sister, mother and I. Now children, wherever there are more than two people or one people and you include yourself with them, you use pronoun we. Number 4, Prabha. Prabha is girl, so we will use she. And the last one, dog. Dog is a animal, and which pronoun we will use for animal? It. Next exercise, B on the same page. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. What you have to do, read the sentences and underline the pronouns. Number 1, she put on a new frock. Where is the pronoun? She. So underline she. Next, he gave me a book. He gave me the books. Where is the pronoun? He and me. Next, number 3, I gave him a pair of shoes. Again, there are two pronouns, right? So let's underline I and him. Number 4, it is raining. Pronoun is it. So underline it. And the last sentence, we went to meet Rajat's grandmother. Let's underline the pronoun we. Next exercise, C. Look at the words in red in each sentence in column A. Choose the pronoun to take their place in column B. Now children, in column A, the sentences are given and the words written in red, you have to replace them with pronoun and write again in column B. So let's do number 1. Our dog Toto was sleeping. Now A, what you have to write? Dash was sleeping. So for dog, what you will use? It. It was sleeping. Number 2. My mother sent us outside. For mother, what will you use? Mother is female, so you will use she. She sent us outside. Now remember children, you are starting the sentence. So write in A, write capital I for it, and in B, write capital S for she. Number 3, my brother was playing with a toy. Now brother is male, so we will use he. He was playing with a toy. Again write with capital H as you are starting the sentence. Number 4, the ball was big. Now which pronoun you use for things? It, right? So let's write it was big with capital I. Okay. Number 5, my brother threw the ball. So for brother you will use he. He threw the ball. The last sentence you have to use two pronouns. My sister caught the ball. For my sister you will write she because sister is female, and for ball you will write it. She caught it. Now remember children, for she you will write capital letter, but for it you will write small letter. Okay. Now last exercise for today. Exercise D. Choose the correct pronouns from brackets to fill in the blanks. Number 1. The teacher called me. Dash went to her immediately. So what will you use? I, right? I went to her immediately. Number 2. Selena wants to play football. Dash loves the game. Selena is girl, so you will write she. She loves the game. Number 3. Radha will not go to school. Dash is not well. For Radha, what will you use? She. So write she is not well. Next, number 4. The dog was happy when we played with dash. For dog, what will you use? Pronoun it. Children, in number 1, 2 and 3, you will write in capital letter, right? I, she, and again she in capital letter because they are starting the sentence. But in number 4, you will write it with small letter, correct? Last sentence, Mr. Naidu said to Mohan, Mohan dash are a good boy. Mohan, you are a good boy. Okay. Children, we come to the end of this exercises. In the next class, we will complete plural pronouns and the other exercises related to pronouns. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.